To redeem promo codes in Genshin Impact, follow these steps. First, you need to obtain a promo code, which can be found on the official Genshin Impact website, social media, or through events and giveaways. Once you have the code, log into your Genshin Impact account on your device, whether it is a PC, mobile, or console. On PC, open the Genshin Impact launcher and click on the cog icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Then click on the account option and select Redeem Code. On mobile devices, open the Genshin Impact app, tap the Paimon menu, and select the settings icon. Then tap on Account and select Redeem Code. On consoles, open the Genshin Impact game, go to the Settings menu, and select Account. Then select Redeem Code. After accessing the Redeem Code section, enter the promo code you obtained and click the Redeem button. The promo code will be verified, and if it is valid, you will receive the rewards associated with the code, such as Primo Gems, Mora, or other in-game items. It is essential to note that promo codes can only be redeemed once per account and are usually time limited, so make sure to redeem them as soon as possible. Additionally, some promo codes may have specific requirements or restrictions, so always check the terms and conditions before redeeming. By following these steps, you can easily redeem promo codes in Genshin Impact and enjoy the rewards and benefits they provide. Always keep an eye on the official Genshin Impact website and social media channels for new promo codes and updates. And never share your account information or promo codes with anyone to avoid any potential issues.